Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 22nd January. Let's start. In the year of 1666, on this day, Shahjahan, the Mughal Emperor of India, passed away. The Mughal Emperor Shahjahan is remembered for the grand monuments built during his reign, notably the Taj Mahal and Moti Masjid in Agra and Jama Masjid and Red Fort in Delhi. In the year of 1673, on this day, postal service started between Boston and New York. In the year of 1760, on this day, the British defeated the French in the Battle of Bandivas, Banaras. In the year of 1892, on this day, Thakur Roshan Singh, one of the revolutionaries who fought for India's independence, was born. In the year of 1963, on this day, the National Library for the Blind was established in Dehradun. In the year of 1965, on this day, the steel plant at Durgapur, West Bengal was started. In the year of 1968, on this day, Apollo 5 flew into space with the first lunar module. In the year of 1970, on this day, the first commercial flight of the Boeing 747 was launched between London and New York. In the year of 1972, on this day, the entire population of Istanbul was placed under house arrest for 24 hours. In the year of 1976, on this day, T. M. Krishna, a famous singer of Carnatic music genre and Magsaysay awardee, was born. In the year of 1992, on this day, Dr. Roberta Bonder became the first Canadian neurologist and the first woman to go into space. In the year of 1996, on this day, scientists at the University of California Observatory discovered two new planets at a distance of about 350,000 light years from Earth. In the year of 2018, on this day, Netflix became the largest digital media and entertainment company in the world, worth $100 billion. In the year of 2020, on this day, China locks down the city of Wuhan and its 11 million people in an effort to control COVID-19. There were 17 official deaths and more than 500 people became ill. In the year of 2021, on this day, Uttarakhand's first child-friendly police station was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat. It is designed to provide a conducive environment to the children involved in crimes. In the year of 2021, on this day, Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Sri Arjun Munda launched a national migration assistance portal Shram Shakti during a virtual event held in Panaji, Goa. In the year of 2021, on this day, DRDO successfully conducted captive and release trials of indigenously developed smart anti-airfield weapon from Hawk First aircraft of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited of Odisha coast. In the year of 2021, on this day, Nikhil Srivastava, a young Indian mathematician, was named as the winner of prestigious Michael and Sheila Held Prize 2021 for solving long-standing questions on the Cardassian-Singer problem and Ramanujan graphs. In the year of 2021, on this day, Indo-Tibetan Border Police (ITBP) won the 10th National Ice Hockey Championship trophy of the Indian Ice Hockey Association by defeating Ladakh in Gulmarg. Establishment of ITBP in 24 October 1962. ITBP headquarters is situated in New Delhi, India. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, inaugurated India's longest reach arc bridge, Wahriu Bridge at Sobar in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.